So let us see some more problems on biased clamper circuits. Let us see this problem. A 100 volts peak square wave with a period of 20 milliseconds is to be negatively clamped at 25 volts. Draw the circuit diagram necessary for this purpose. So this is the another important question in the examination. So what you have to observe? So we have to clamp this input square wave to the negative level such that it should clamp at 25 volts. So that is what it is given. First let us draw the input. First we have to identify that it is a negative clamper. First you have to remember negative clamper. So what is the input given? Just I am drawing the input waveform. Very simple input waveform is given. So it is given as like this. So this is the input waveform Vi of t versus t. So 0, 0. So what is this negative peak? The negative peak is minus 100 volts and the positive peak is 100 volts. The time period is given as 20 milliseconds. So it will not make much difference. So what is the negative clamper? You know how to draw the negative clamper circuit. So the diode will be in this direction like this. So it is given as it is a negative clamper, but we have to clamp at 25. That means we have to take reference voltage like this. I have explained in the previous classes. Reference voltage is like this, plus or minus 25. So that means the waveform is negatively clamped, but it starts from plus 25. So that is what you have to understand. So therefore in practical circuits we place a resistor across the output. So this is the circuit you have to draw in the examination. Very simple circuit. So Vi of t. So this is the capacitor C. So therefore what is the output? You can clearly check that. So what is the output waveform you have to draw? So you have to draw 0, 0. Just to draw the reference line 25 volts because it is given as 25 volts. Clamped at 25 volts. So therefore, so what is we have to draw? We have to draw the square wave like this. Square wave like this. So therefore it is 25. So therefore it will definitely become minus 125, so that the peak to peak amplitude will become 200 volts. So this is the output waveform you have to draw. So this is V0 of t versus t. Again let us find the voltage across the capacitor and output voltage expression. So what is the input voltage? Because it is the diode is in this direction, so therefore we have to take what is the maximum peak voltage? 100 volts. 100 volts. So therefore the capacitor will charge with this polarity. Let us say the capacitor voltage is say Vc. So the diode, when this input is 100 volts, the diode is forward biased. So therefore what is the voltage across the capacitor? Simple KVL. 100 minus Vc minus 25 is equal to 0 from network knowledge. So what is Vc? So Vc is equal to 75 volts. So this is so that means the capacitor will charge to 75 volts. So that is what you have to understand. So therefore once this capacitor charges to 75 volts, so therefore with this polarity, now this is the input Vi. So apply KVL to the input output loop. So therefore Vi minus Vc is equal to V0. So that is what we have to write. That is what is the output voltage? The output voltage is equal to Vi. What is the voltage across capacitor? 75. So this is the output voltage expression. So Vi minus Vc, that is 75. Vi minus 75 is equal to V0. So let us check it out whether if Vi, what is the maximum peak? So Vi is plus 20 plus 100, sorry. So what is V0? V0 is equal to 25 volts. You can check that. So therefore when Vi is equal to minus 100, so what is the output voltage? Will come as minus 175 volts. So you can cross check like that. So this is the answer for this simple question in the examination. So let us check it out. The another question. Sketch, you can see, sketch the output waveform, sketch the output waveform that you would expect from the circuit shown. So let us see. So you can see that this is a negative clamper because the diode is like this, the diode direction is like this. You have to understand that it is a negative clamper. First point you have to observe it as a negative clamper. So in negative clamper, the waveform will come below 0, but biasing is given like this, so therefore it starts from -10. So that is what I have explained in the previous classes. So just what is you have to draw? So you have to draw, this is 0. Just take a reference line. Just take a reference line of -10. So -10. So draw the square wave like this. Draw the square wave like this. Draw the square wave like this. What is this voltage? This voltage will be definitely -50. So that -50. So minus of -10. So therefore the peak to peak amplitude will remain as 40 volts. So this is the output we have to draw. So V0 of t versus t. So again in the similar case, let us find the voltage across capacitor. For this purpose, let us take the positive peak as 100 volts. Let us find out the voltage across capacitor. These things already I have explained in the previous classes. So therefore, what is the voltage across capacitor? So 100 minus Vc plus 10 is equal to 0. 100 minus Vc plus 10 is equal to 0. So what is Vc? So Vc will become so not it is 100, so it is 20, 20, because its peak value is 20, the peak value is 20, so 20 minus Vc plus 10 is equal to 0, so what is Vc? Vc is equal to 30 volts, so this is what first point you have to observe. So therefore, once it is charged to 30 volts, what is the output expression? The output expression is simply Vi minus 30, you can cross check that. If Vi is equal to 20, so what is V0? So V0 is equal to minus 10 volts. So if Vi is equal to minus 20, so if you substitute minus 20, V0 is equal to minus 50 volts. So you can cross check, this waveform is oscillating between minus 10 and minus 50 square wave. So this is the simple answer for this very simple question in the examination. Thank you.